Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a third year history and politics student at UEA. There's a huge range of modules in all different aspects of history, through America, through to Europe and Asia geographically, all sorts of time periods as well, so there's so much to choose from. What I've really enjoyed is doing my dissertation in the last year. It lets you kind of do absolutely anything that you like, and the supervision for it is really great. There's plenty of help and there's almost always an open door for you in terms of the history department. What I would say is not to limit yourself to what you think that you enjoy now or what you might enjoy in the future, because there's definitely going to be something for you that's new and exciting. I never really liked British history before I came to UEA, but now I've been studying it all 3 years and really enjoying it. Hopefully something inside broadcasting or the media, or specifically radio as well. And that's, I think, the advantage of history as well, that it gives you so much breadth in pretty much anything you'd want to do.